the, ano
This
daw?
is just one of the reasons. It was really, like, that's why I said it was for personal growth, diba? Kasi I knew that if I were handed a show of this caliber, it would teach me a lot of things, and an opportunity like this would be able to inspire me, even inspire a lot of people, and an opportunity like this would be able to hopefully train me to become a better host. Kasi isa din yun sa mga field na gusto ko sanang pag-usayan bukod sa pag-arte. But syempre, gusto ko lumipat din ako for other reasons like acting.
Of course, oo. So, it's not because na papalitan mo si Sharon Cuneta noon, walang gano'n, oo.
Oo, hindi ko nga po alam time na yun. Nag-meeting.
Isa medyo nainip ka ba? Kasi di ba isang pangako sa ABS itong Biggest Loser.
Oo.
Bagaman ang tagal-tagal bago.
Ilang taong ka na rin ba,
Hindi ako
Isa?
nainip kasi last year, early last year pa namin. So, wala akong sense na yung mga tao ang naiinip kasi hindi nila nakikita eh. Pero ako kasi dahil ginagawa ko siya, hindi ko nga maramdaman yung inip. Dahil sabi ko nga, hindi ka naman makapag-tweet, hindi ka makapag-post ng picture kasi reality TV show siya. So sabi ko, bahala na lang. Makikita naman nila eh, sa oras na pwede na at sa tamang panahon, may intindihan din nila.
May pressure ba na si Miss Sharon Cuneta yung papalitan ng first season?
Pagka hindi nyo tinatanong, walang pressure. Pag tinatanong ko, nape-pressure ako.
Talaga?
Kasi may basbas din naman, sabi ko sa dating press con, may basbas din ni Ate Shawi. Nagpaalam din po ako sa kanya na kumbaga na, Ate, I'm doing Biggest Loser Season 2. She wished me well.
Ano yun? You texted her?
I
You called
texted
her?
her. So,
Ano
yun,
yung-
she said naman, and even the last time we saw each other dun sa Voices for Visayas, she was still saying na naglulukol nga, Biggest Loser 1 and 2, gumagano'n siya.
Ano yung payong binigay niya sa'yo?
Hindi na niya ako binigyan ng payo eh.
Kasi magaling ka naman ang host.
Kasi magaling. Hindi, siguro hindi din ako humingi. Nahiya naman ako. Parang, uy, iba ba ang kaya?
Magaling ka namang host. In fairness naman sa'yo.
Thank you. Sana through the show, hopefully, maging mas mabuti pa at pabuti ng pabuti, ng pabuti, ng pabuti.
Meron akong question. Yes. Sa personal experience mo, and nakikita mo sa mga contestants, ano ang pinakamahirap sa pagpapapaya?
Sa totoo lang, the biggest challenge, you can ask any big person who lost weight or any person who has weight struggles, the biggest thing is food.
It was food. Oo nga, tama.
It's the hardest to resist. The diet is the hardest to like.
Simula ka sa not eating
Oo,
rice?
yung panindigan. Kasi madali siyang gawin eh.
Temptation talaga siya, no?
3 weeks, 1 month.
Oo,
But
correct.
to make it a lifestyle is so hard. And even me, now that I stand here in front of you and people say that I'm healthy and fit, I don't think I'm nowhere near the healthiness that I want to be at. I'm not at the optimal level of healthiness. Because sometimes I still cheat with my diet, ganyan. But not with my food consumption. That's what I mean.
Takot ka bang, may takot ka bang bumalik ulit?
Siyempre po.
Isa ba yun sa mga fear mo?
Oo, kaya nga, minsan takot ako magkaanak, takot ako, di ba? Pero sabi ko naman, siguro kung isang araw, kung mabubuntis man ako at magkakaanak, siguro maiintindihan naman sana ng tao kung lalaki ka, di ba? Tapos nasa sa akin na rin yun eh. Total, alam ko naman ako ano yung kailangan gawin. And then, honestly, you also have to forgive yourself if you can't bring it back to what you were at your 20s or 30s. But as long as you try your very best, then kasi alam mo rin eh.
Alam ni Ben yan na may fear ka sa ganyan.
Oo
Even
naman.
yung magbuntes.
Oo naman.
Ano sabi niya pag ganyan?
Sabi niya, makakapagpabayat ka ba naman? Ganun, in English.
In English talaga.
In English.
Oo nga naman. Oo, yan.
Wala, supportive naman siya. So, syempre may takot kang pumbabae. Kasi ako, syempre, wait ka pa, yung pang 10 months yun pa lang, parang big thing na pang pag, di ba, in the future, you never know. But siguro, maano ka na lang, nagagawa din naman ng iba, di kaya mo rin.
So, ay Isa, matanong ko lang, yung sa MMK, ang shinare mo lang doon is about your losing weight?
Meron ding personal struggles about my family. Basically, everything was why I became big. And
Ilan taong ka ba when it happened? 12?
mga Nag-umpisa tayo ng mga 7-8 years old.
Okay,
Doon mag-umpisa ang
until?
storya. Hanggang sa bago ako mag-artista, doon na natin pinutol. Kasi kung isasama pa natin lahat ng pagkatapos ng artista, nobela
Oo
na
naman,
hindi,
correct.
ang dami na doon. Siyempre may struggles din ako as an actress. It's not
Naman,
easy to be in this job. But that's a totally different story. Maybe one day I'll write a book. Who knows?
With your love life.
Advantage.
With your love life.
No love life. Ay, meron patikim, mga high school puppy love, you know.
May malaking advantage ba na galing ka dun sa ganong klaseng sitwasyon kung bakit nakakapag-advise ka at nakakapag-determine ka sa kanila ng
Oo naman. Kasi sa tingin ko, mas alam nila na pinagdaanan din niya yun eh. Kasi minsan, ikaw, hirap na hirap ka na sa prosesong ginagawa mo. Di ba? Nagpapapayat ka, ganyan. Kung makita mo naturally thin person, minsan may inis ka pa yung parang hindi mo naiintindihan yung struggle sa akin mentally. So I guess knowing that I went through those struggles and I still go through it every day, I guess they had a little more, I had a little sense of authority. Kasi some of them were older than me. But they would listen to me.